guys, I hope you are doing fine. So today we are going to build a music stems extraction using React Native and Flask at the backend. I don't know if you know the application Moses. We're going to build an app like that, but in our case it will be also a music player app. So I'll have my music playlist and all of my folders, and I can select a music and start the stems extraction. And for this project we are going to work on 4 stems: the drums, the vocals, the bass, and the other music instruments that are in the song. So let me make a little demonstration before we dig into our code. So let's start the backend project. I'm using Flasks and Demux in order, Facebook Demux, in order to do the extraction. So if I go there, this is a Facebook library that enables us to do music stems extraction. So this is the library I'm using in this project. So let me do a little demonstration. Let's go. So I'm going to start my project. So let's say specify that it's listening to all the IP addresses. Let us start our Celery worker. So we are using Celery to run background tasks. This is the element that will be responsible of running the stem extraction. Forgot the command. Celery -a tasks worker for level. It's log level, not info level. Log level info. Okay, we good. So let us run our mobile application. So this is my Android emulator. I'm going to start my project here. Okay, Android. For this time it's only working on Android. Later we're going to build it for iOS too. So this is our project is building. Okay, so I have a normal music player application, and so I can add playlists and all of that. It can work. For example, I can add songs. This is my songs and all of that. I can see the library. I can check the artists, the albums, and the genres. So this is like a normal music player application. And so as I said, this is like a music player application. So let us make it everything I've been wanting, manifesting for my life. Everything you've been wanting, manifesting. For example, if I try playing the drums, okay, let's play the stems. So you have the different stems: the drums, the vocals, the bass, and the other stems. So everything I've been wanting, manifesting. I can remove the vocals. So you see there is no vocals anymore. I can remove the bass. Okay. So you can, this is the volume for each stem.
Some Duke on the vibe.
And I can remove the drums too, if you want. So this is for example. So if I remove the drum, there are no drums anymore. So this is for the song that have already been. This is for a song that have already been extracted, that have already been processed. So I'm going to, let's do a new extraction. For example, let me check this. This one also has been extracted. Okay, so let's make a new extraction. So there you have a count, and if you come here, you will see that extraction is started on the backend. In the Celery task, you can see the extraction progress here, and you can also see the progress here. and I can leave and come back, and the extraction will still be going. For example, if I come here, it's still extracting. Let's wait for it to be done. So you can play other songs, waiting for the other one to be done. You don't have to wait for the extraction to be done to do other things. So if I come back in our extraction, I still have 40%. Let's wait. So it's good. Okay, no, it's good. Extraction has been done, so I can play the stems now. So if I come back, let's play the stems. So I can add the drums. So I remove the drums. Remove the bass. Remove the vocals. So as you can see here, you don't hear the vocals anymore. So this is our music player, and at the same time, the stem extraction application. And this is what you are going to build in this tutorial. We are going to start building the API, the Flask API. We are going to work on that, and after that, you are going to move to the mobile application. And for those who want the code, you can check the link in the comment sections, or in the video description. You will find a link to, if you want, you can have the code. If you don't want to wait for the tutorial to be done, you can check and buy the code on my platform. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I hope you guys learn some new things during this tutorial. Thank you guys. Keep tuned and let's start working. Cheers.